You're here because you're curious about a unique approach to handling your finances. Let me tell you, you're in the right place. You see, years ago, I learned from a mentor of mine about an alternative way to manage finances. I was a bit skeptical at first, but the concept fascinated me. I believe this same strategy can change your financial life too. Let's start a short financial journey that reimagines banking. I've poured through countless financial strategies, and this one, it stands apart from the rest. Imagine a world where instead of relying solely on banks, you played a pivotal role in your own financial journey. Stick around and you'll discover an innovative strategy to amplify your financial energy. Now, let's break down this concept and apply it to some real life situations. If you think it's just another banking method, buckle up. Here's where the magic really unfolds. Now, let's start with James. Like many of us, James wanted a new car, a shiny upgrade, but instead of draining his savings account or heading straight to the bank for a loan, he took a different route. He capitalized his own system, accessing his continually growing asset as collateral, bought the car, and as he repaid his system, he wasn't just paying off a debt, he was replenishing his financial reservoir. And the best part, his money never actually stopped growing, even while he drove around town flaunting his new wheels for everyone that he saw. Now, let's meet Lisa. As a mother, her priority was to ensure her daughter Emma received the best education possible. Like most parents know, tuition and fees can be daunting. However, Lisa had tapped into the infinite banking concept. By accessing her capital, she managed to pay for Emma's college without financial strain. And as she replenished her system, her asset growth remained uninterrupted, ensuring that she was always ready for any future expenses. Now enter Alex, a seasoned real estate investor. When a prime property caught his eye, he didn't rush to external financiers. He didn't go to some third-party bank. He accessed his own growing asset using it as collateral. Alex bought the property, and while he repaid himself into his system, he watched two things grow: his real estate portfolio and his financial asset. It was a double win. Lastly, imagine Sarah, passionate traveler, always eyeing her next adventure. Most people save up for a vacation and they drain their savings. Not Sarah. She tapped into her capital, funded her dream vacation, and by the time she was sunbathing on a beach, her asset back home was still flourishing. Every trip she was investing in memories without stalling her financial growth. These aren't just stories, these are potential realities I've lived myself. It's not about avoiding expenses, but reimagining how you manage them. With every expense, whether it's a car, education, an investment, or a much needed break, you're not just spending, you're optimizing. It's the power of an asset that's perpetually growing, even when it's being accessed. Remember that mentor I mentioned at the start? That revelation transformed my view on money, and it can do the same for you. Understanding is the first step, but implementation takes us to a whole new level. To delve deeper in and truly grasp this, check out my free training at legacylifeprocess.com. It's packed with incredible information that'll teach you how to elevate your financial journey, redefine banking, and become the master of your financial system. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless.